Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add music in InShot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the Get InShot. It's available for iOS users on App Store, for Android on Google Play, and also on App Gallery. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Adding music to InShot is a very straightforward process using the app, because when you use music complementing your visuals with appropriate music, it helps reinforce the narrative or theme of your video. Okay, now for you to be able to do that, it's very easy. All you're gonna do is choose the video option here. You can create new one. I'm gonna click on it and then choose the video that you wanted to work with. All right, so in here you can select one track to edit and drag the handle to trim the video. Once you've done that, click on OK. You see there's going to be a lot of options here, but we're not going to do that for now. Instead, you see an option down at the bottom. It says audio, all right, or sometimes it's called music. All you're going to do is put the music like this one, and you can choose any music that you wanted. So you can extract audio from the video, which we are going to show you on a separate tutorial. But of course, you can also put in the imported. And there are suggestions here for musics that we could, of course, use, like Imagine, Pop, Unstoppable, Tranquil Soul, Relax, and a lot more. So it's up to you. All right, now in my case, I'm gonna click on my music. If you do have, all right, looking for music for your videos, you can just visit the YouTube audio library from your PC or Mac to download free music. All right, let's keep that. Click on effects, but for now we're going to add some music. Maybe choose the Rookie, Your Pure Imagination. Maybe I'm gonna use the Breathe Slow. All right, and then copy that. Now the music has been added to your video. You can also add some effects while you scrub the video here. All right, you can also put some audio recordings if you wanted, because a well-chosen music can grab a viewer's attention and keep them engaged throughout the video. And I believe that adding a soundtrack can make your video more dynamic and less monotonous, encouraging viewers to watch till the end. Once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click the check button here, and there you go. You have added your music to your video here in InShot. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.